Hey guys, it's Gavin the Fire Alarm Siren Guy, and today is National Fire Alarm Day, so I figure I'd do a video. And so I figure, why not show my Simplex fire alarm collection? Since I'm really crazy about Simplex, like my famous line is, I love me some Simplex. Alright, let's start with the pole station. This is a Simplex 2099-9795. Yep. Let me find my cat footy key. Here it is. Okay. This is the white key. Wait. That's my Simplex 2099-9795. This is my Simplex. Wait, look. 2901-9848. Mounted on a 624-95/8 white plate. I haven't tested this thing yet, but I would love to. These things are not very common, so I was lucky to get my hands on one of these, since these alarms are quite rare. Alright, next is my Simplex 4903-97. Oh, hold on. Simplex 4903-9201. There's snapped wires. I gotta fix that. Or just get a new one. And it has tape over it because this is actually my first fire alarm. I got it from one of the staffs of my middle schools, whose dad works for Simplex, and he was very generous to get me this and that pole station. Because my teacher told him that how much I love fire alarms. So they decided to get me an early Christmas present. And it was a good day. So, yeah. And last but not least is my favorite alarm, the Simplex True. I don't know what model this is. I think it's a Snort Sync. So I'm gonna have to get another one, because I can't use this. As soon as I apply power to it, it's not gonna do anything. So I'm gonna have to get a non-Snort Sync. But those are good alarms. Those are actually my favorite. I would love to hear these go off. So yeah. That is it for my Simplex fire alarm collection. And I'll see you in the next video.